Hi everyone, Radhe Radhe. In this video, we're going to be doing chapter 12, verse 9. This is probably my absolute favorite verse of the entire Gita. I absolutely crazy love it. Okay, so let's do the prayer. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya 3 times and then a little prayer and then we'll sing the verse together. Let's get to it. It is amazing. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Dear Radha and Krishna, thank you for giving us this verse, giving us access to your words. Thank you. We're extremely fortunate, extremely lucky to be able to have access to this so easily. Please help us use this. Please help us come closer to you. Please help us develop an attachment towards you, a deeper attachment towards you. Please help us bring us closer to you, and please help us bring love for you through these verses. Thank you. Okay. I will now put the screen on. Let's sing. अथ चित्तं समाधातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय. O dear Arjun, winner of wealth Dhananjaya, if you cannot fix your mind upon me without deviation, then follow the regulative principles of Bhakti Yoga. In this way, develop a desire to attain me. So, Abhyas Yogena. Abhyas means practice. Yogena is Yog, Bhakti Yoga, that's what we're talking about here. Connecting union of the soul with the super soul. So, by practice. So, if you're not there already, where you can think about me and fix your mind upon me without deviation, then practice, keep practicing over and over again. In this way, this is the beautiful line, in this way develop a desire to attain me. So all we need to do is practice. We're not there, obviously. We're not there. We don't start off by being at the end. We start off with the first step. So if you're not there already, where you can fix your mind upon me without deviation, then follow abhyas. And so Bhakti Yoga is the purification of senses. He says at the present moment, senses are always impure, being engaged in sense gratification, but by practice, it can become purified. So in the beginning, we may be serving the master, but we're getting paid. The master is paying me. We're paying them. We're serving them. They're paying me. There is no love, but for spiritual life, it can be achieved by practice with the present senses. And the love of God is dormant in everyone's heart. And there it is manifested, but heart has to be purified. You know, the 30 miles of anarthas have to go, and that's when we'll be able to do this. So under the guidance of a spiritual master, you should rise in the morning, take bath, enter temple, offer prayers, chant the 16 rounds, collect flowers to offer to the deity, cook foodstuffs to the deity, eat prasadam, that all kinds of things that we should be doing. And okay, so what he says is, if you're unable to fix your mind steadily on me, practice remembering me with devotion. Practice remembering me with devotion. That's abhyas yogena, while constantly restraining the mind from worldly affairs. And then this way you will desire love for me, desire to attain me. You'll desire me. Yeah. Okay. Fixing the mind is the perfection of sadhana, but immediately on the beginning of the path we cannot be perfect. So what do? We endeavor to remember him with devotion. Practice makes perfect. It's called abhyas yoga. Union with God through repeated practice. Each time the mind wanders towards other objects, devotees must strive to bring it back through remembrance of his names, forms, virtues, pastimes, abodes, associates. So Relentlessly, Sachinanda Maharaj says, relentlessly. This is what the chanting helps us with, is relentlessly bringing the mind back towards God, towards thinking about God, towards saying His holy names. Yeah, okay. This is the most beautiful verse ever. This is what we need to do as beginners. This is where we need to do, is just practice. Abhyas yogena. I'm going to remember this. Abhyas yogena. Relentlessly is the word that I remember from Sachinandan Maharaj. I keep repeating that to myself. And Abhyas yogena is the next word that I'm going to be using. Okay. Wish you a day filled with lots and lots of Krishna's grace and lots and lots and lots of spiritual growth and Krishna Prem. Radhe Radhe.